I'm Lara Salva, Valaro Realty, Dumaguete City. I love to show you this ocean view property with Apo View, located in Maayong Tubig, Dauin, Negros Oriental. It's 1.5 kilometers going to the site. Promo price is 1,500 per square meter with easy pay financing. The lot range is 300 to 600 square meters. Hi, I'm Lara Salva of Valario, Dumaguete City. I love to show you this ocean view property located in Mayong Tubig, Dauin, Negros Oriental with nice view of Apo View. The price range is 1,500 per square meter with easy full financing payment. The property is located.
It's okay. We can change the audio.
You can edit that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Promo price is only 1,500 pesos per square meter with easy pay financing available. The lot range is 300 to 600 square meter.